Hello student, this is the first chapter of class 4 and the chapter name is A Moving Tale and the poem written by Edward Oxenford. The chapter name is Moving Tale. Moving tale means a pooch and moving means hilna, means pooch ka hilna. Now come to the poem. Our woe and woe is a pup, a little black and tan. His tail keeps wagging to and fro just like a lady's fan. We have thought and thought but cannot guess what makes him wag it thus, and wondering we will be unless it is explained to us. We ask a doggy man we knew to clear the mystery up. He answered that the habit grew on every proper pup. It's one, he said, of a nature laws and not the puppy's whim. He wags him little tail because of course it cannot wag him. Now come to the first stanza. The poet says, a bow and bow is a pup. Pup means a dog baby or a young one of a dog. The bow and bow is the name of a pup and the little pup is a black and tan color. Black and tan means a yellowish brown color. His tail keep wagging to and fro. Tail means pooch and wagging means rapidly moving, and its tail rapidly moving to and fro just like a lady's fan. Lady's fan is that type of fan that women can protect us from a fire. Okay, now second stanza. We have thought and thought but cannot guess what making him wag it thus, and wondering we will be unless it is explained to us. The poet said we thought and thought but we cannot think why pup is wagging his tail, and it cannot explain to us. Now, come to the third stanza. We ask a doggy man we knew to clear the mystery up. He answered that the habit grew on every proper pup. Then the poet asked to a doggy man why the pup is wagging his tail to clear this mystery. Mystery means a difficult to know, is difficult to describe anything. And the doggy man answered that the habit grew in every proper pup. It is a habit of every proper pup. It's one, he said, the nature laws and not the puppy whim. His wag his little tail because of course it cannot wag him. And the doggy man is the one who, he said, of a nature's law, not the puppy whim because it cannot wake him.